Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're here, you're probably excited about turning your Testerup earnings into cold, hard cash in your Cash App. In this video, we're diving into the step-by-step process for 2025, which has some updated features to make it even smoother. Whether you're a Testerup pro or just starting out, this guide will have you transferring money in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have both the Testerup app and Cash App installed on your phone, and that your accounts are fully set up and verified. This is crucial because 2025 updates require stronger security checks to protect your funds. Step 1. Open the Testerup app and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, head over to the Wallet or Earnings section. It's usually right on the home screen for easy access. Step 2. Look for the Withdraw or Transfer option. In the 2025 version, there's a new interface with a handy search bar, so type in Cash App if you don't see it immediately. Select Cash App from the list of available payout methods. Step 3. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Remember, there might be minimum withdrawal limits, so double-check that first. You'll also need to input your Cash App tag or email associated with your account for the transfer to go through smoothly. Step 4. Review the details carefully. The app will show you any fees involved. 2025 brings lower fees for quick transfers, which is a game changer. Once you're happy, hit the Confirm button and authenticate with your PIN or biometrics. After that, sit back and wait. Transfers usually take 1 to 3 business days, but with the new 2025 instant options, you might see it faster. Keep an eye on your email for confirmation. A quick tip. If you run into any issues, like a pending transfer, check your Testerup settings for any account restrictions or contact their support. They're super responsive. And always double-check your Cash App balance after the transfer. There you have it, folks. You've just learned how to effortlessly move money from Testerup to Cash App in 2025. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.